everybody, Tanisha K here, coming to you guys with a mommy makeover collaboration. I am so excited. So this collaboration is hosted by myself, Tanisha, and Ingrid of Mommy and Mia Homeschool Chronicles. The point is that we get all ready for homeschool. We get all ready for the next school year. We're making sure the kids have everything. I know at our house we do first day of school, gifts or field trips and things like that. But in all of that preparation, what is mommy doing to relax, to release, to update her look, whatever she needs to do? So with that theme in mind, makeover theme in mind, I decided to share with you guys just some snippets of me preparing and getting ready to go to the gala that my church had for our women's ministry. So amazing, so much fun, guys. When I tell you I have had a blast tonight, I can't believe I still have any makeup on. I done danced and I'm wearing this beautiful dress. And if you were interested in where I got this dress from, which you will be able to see pictures, I think I have some pictures and maybe a little bit of footage of me wearing the whole look head to toe. This dress was from Torrid on clearance. I had been eyeballing it 4 months to wear for our vow renewal, which it will be the same dress but a whole different look. But everybody really seemed to like me with the short hair. You know, I've been thinking of cutting my hair. I don't know if I could do this short, but you know, a little something different. So this is my mommy makeover. I gave you some snippets of makeup, some snippets of me prepping this hair. You can see me all glammed up with this look. I also wanted to make sure I gave you guys a glimpse of these beautiful shoes, guys. These were like $19.99 a couple of years ago on Amazon, and the camera does them no justice. The only thing that I did to them is I Mod Podged them when I got them Mod Podge Sparkle, so that gave them the iridescent glow to match the AB stones on the front of the shoe. Not nary a stone has ever fell off, and I wear them. I have the gold and the silver, and they are both beautifully awesome. Bam Bam, what you think?
Good.
What do you like? Do you like it or not?
I like it.
Thank you. You like it too, Bubba? Something different? Something different? All right.
Something different and something different. Something different, beautiful.
Thank you, baby.
Something different, beautiful.
Thank you.
Cool. Amazing.
Amazing. All right, come on, Agnes.
And pretty.
Thank you, baby. I sure appreciate that.
It's right here.
Okay, get you some spray, girl. Me some. Okay, guys, I'm gonna try to get you a glimpse of this old dress, but everybody likes it. Jump up. 1, 2, 3. Say hi.
Hi. This is my friend, Mom.
Yeah, you like it? Okay, say bye.
Bye.
So that's it. I truly hope that you enjoyed a look at my mommy makeover. And of course, you know, tomorrow, maybe a week or two, it'll be back to the regular, you know, long black hair. But for now, you know, I think I'm kind of feeling this short look. You tell me, comment down below. You tell me what you think. Now, of course, I can't walk around in a wedding dress every day. Or I could. Now, y'all know me. You know, there is a little bit of zhuzh there. I could walk around like this every day, but I hope that you enjoyed seeing me get all glammed up, seeing me enjoy myself at the gala. And if you want to participate in this collaboration, then please record your video and add it to the playlist, which will be listed below and also on the blog post, marriedtokdk at wordpress.com. Also, you can follow our homeschool Instagram, Team Kemp Academy. And then if you're interested in planning and makeup and nails and all that good stuff, catch me Instagram, Married to KDK. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.